story is called the Paseo. Paseo. It's going to run from one end to the other and back, okay? So we're going to start at both ends. So let's go ahead and get started. Two-hand hold position. And we're going to go. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 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 1. Nice. So you see how long that is, right? So this time we're going to start with Monica's back to you, and we're going to go this way and back, okay? So let's turn it around. Okay, kind of tight because you can actually really move with this. So here we go. And 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 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 1. Good. All right. So there you go. So you can see how that works starting from both sides, with my back to you and also Monica's. And you see it's very similar. We're just mirroring each other. Cool? But for more information on this, what do you got to do? Private lesson style videos. All right? This is a quick view. So go over this, practice, and then come on back for the next pattern.